Cave of Swallows is a solutional cave, which means that over millions of years, water and carbonic acid eroded and weathered away the limestone, forming the giant pit-like cave that we have today.
Well, you see, the Cave of Swallows is a special cave. Since it's a vertical cave, that means there are no formations present in there, and it's just a big, giant hole in the ground.
The Cave of Swallows is the biggest cave shaft in the world. The cave is a 376-meter vertical drop from its highest point. The top is 49 by 62 meters wide. However, the cave gets wider the farther down that you go. At the bottom of the cave, it is approximately 275 meters wide. There is also a small vertical shaft on the far side of the cave, which extends another 512 meters into the earth. Due to the risks this small shaft presents, such as lack of oxygen, it has not yet been formally explored.
So basically some of the different oddities that you can find in the Cave of Swallows is you've got emerald green moss, you've got bat guano, which is found lying at the very base of the cave, and a combination of these two things can actually cause lung cancer.
The Cave of Swallows was first discovered in 1966 by Borland and Evans. However, it wasn't until 1976 that the cave was explored by students from the University of Texas.
The Cave of Swallows offers no formal expeditions because of the dangers it poses in its isolated position.
The types of wildlife that live in this cave consist of green parakeets, collared swifts, and many other kinds of insects such as scorpions. You've got snakes. There's all kinds of things in there.
The birds spend their nights in their nests on the cave walls. Every morning the birds fly upwards in a circle, slowly ascending to escape the cave. A common way to explore the Cave of Swallows is base jumping. Explorers fix their gear on the low side of the cave where bolts have been secured for rappellers, and the base jumpers jump right in. Rappelling to the bottom of the cave takes about 20 minutes, and the jump takes about 10 seconds until you have to pull your parachute. Climbing back out of the cave using a rope can take up to 2 hours. In recent years, base jumping has been banned because the locals believe it has been detrimental to the local bird population.
The most imminent threat to the Cave of Swallows is the nearby city of Aquismon. Due to increased tourism, Aquismon has exploded in population, with it only being 20 minutes away by foot. The Cave of Swallows is at an increased threat to human interaction such as pollution and the disturbance of natural habitat.
We asked a native Housatec why the cave is important to him.
The rock carvings found near the cave are from our ancestors, and it is said that the cave is a portal to the underworld.
There are many different ways to protect the cave and its birds. One way is to not jump into or descend the cave while the birds are flocking in and out. Others consist of not damaging any of the nests, not throwing anything into the cave, and being sure to only leave footprints. Restrictions have been made by ornithologists so that you may only enter the cave at one point. This aids in halting the decrease of the bird population. So why should you visit the Cave of Swallows? To further understand the culture of the Housatec people and to see the largest cave shaft in the world. It's the only cave of its kind. It offers many sights to see, such as the flocks and flocks of birds, and the adrenaline rush that the jump has to offer. We look forward to your visit. See you soon.
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨고 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선어해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선어해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선어해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선어해 그런 선어해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 옵